We are in the year 2020. We are in the year 2020. There are 12 months in a year. Yes, last week we did the recap of months and the year with action. Today also we are going to do that in a different way. Okay, children? For snap action, we are going to do snap action for the months which has 31 days. Okay, children? Then clap action for the month which has 30 days. Okay, children? Then pat on shoulder for February month which has 28 days, and in leap year which has 29 days. Okay, children? You all follow ma'am and you will try to do that slowly. Okay, children? Now you all listen ma'am. Okay, children? Yes. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Yes. So we are in June month. We are in June month. It is the 6th month of the year. It is the 6th month of the year. Yes. Now comes the day. Shall we sing the days of the week song? Yes, you all know, right? Shall we sing? Yes. There are 7 days. There are 7 days. There are 7 days in your week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. There are 7 days. There are 7 days. There are 7 days in your week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Yes. Yesterday was Sunday. Today is Monday. Shall we write Monday? Yes, children. Shall we write Monday? Yes. Yeah. Oh. Yes, now Monday is going to come. Yeah. O. N. D. A. Y. Monday. And tomorrow will be Tuesday. And tomorrow will be Tuesday. Now we will update our date. Okay, children? Today's date is 29 is the date. 6 is June month. Then 2020 is the year. 2020 is the year. 29 6 2020. Very good. So now what we are going to do? We are going to update our weather. Shall we sing weather song? Yes. You all know weather song, right? You all sing along with ma'am. But mute yourself. Okay, children? What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? Is it sunny? Is it cloudy? Is it rainy like today? What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? Is it sunny? Is it cloudy? Is it rainy like today? Children, everyone, sit yourself. Yes. Is it sun? It is sunny. It is rainy. It's cloudy. Or it is windy. Yes, thank you. Now, ma'am will switch off my video. Thank you.
Yes, children. Jai Gurudev. Happy morning. I am Kirti. I'm your UKG teacher. Okay. See, children. Today we are in block 2. Today we are in block 2, and the block name is My Senses. And the block name is My Senses. In today's class, we are going to have language time. Yes, children. In today's class, we are going to have language time. See, children, during the language time, we learn letters and its sound. In language time, we learn letters and its sound. Yes, yes. Today, we will do a recap of letters E, E, H, M, K, R, D, and its sound. Okay, children? Just you have to listen carefully what ma'am is saying. Okay, children? You should not unmute your audio and video. It will disturb the class. Okay, children? You have to listen carefully. Okay? Here comes the first letter. Here comes the first letter C. Up. This is uppercase C. This is lowercase c. This is uppercase C. This is lowercase c. The sound of the letter C is K. The sound of the letter C is K. Yes, children. Now we are going to see the pictures that begins with K sound. Now we are going to see the pictures that begins with K sound. Here the first picture, K, cap, K, cap. In the second picture, K, cup, K, cup. And the third picture, curtain, curtain. And the fourth picture, cookies, cookies. Yes, children, all of you mute yourself and repeat after me. Cap, cup, curtain, cookies. Kindly mute your audio, Kanna. Mute your audio and repeat after me. Cap, cup, curtain, cookies. These are the pictures that begins with K sound. These are the pictures that begins with K sound. The name of the letter is C. And the name of the letter is C. Now here comes the next letter E. E. Uppercase E, lowercase. Uppercase E, lowercase e. The sound of the letter E is A. The sound of the letter E is A. Now we are going to see the pictures that begins with A sound. Now we are going to see the pictures that begins with A sound. A. Elephant. The first picture is A. Elephant. A. Elephant. And the next picture, A. Egg. A. Egg. A. Egg. And the third picture, A. H. A. H. And the fourth picture, A. Elbow. A. Elbow. Now, kindly mute your audio and video and repeat after me, children. The name of the letter is E. This is uppercase E, lowercase e. Now, we are going to see the pictures that begins with A sound. Okay, children? A. Elephant. A. Elephant. A. Egg. A. H. A. Elbow. These are the pictures that begins with S sound. Okay, children? I hope you are listening carefully. Here comes the next picture, next letter. The name of the letter is H. The name of the letter is H. Uppercase H, uppercase H, lowercase h. This is uppercase H. This is lowercase h. The sound of the letter H is ha. The sound of the letter H is ha. Okay. Now we are going to see the pictures that begins with ha sound. Okay, children. Ha sound. Okay. The first picture is horse. Horse. And the second picture house. House. And the third picture heart. Heart. And the fourth picture hen. Hen. Yes, children, kindly repeat after me without unmute or audio. Okay. The first picture horse. Horse. And the second picture house. And the third picture heart. And the fourth picture hen. These are the pictures that begins with ha sound. Okay, children. Here comes the next letter. The name of the letter is M. The name of the letter is M. This is uppercase M. This is lowercase m. This is uppercase M. This is lowercase m. Now we are going to see the pictures that begins with sound. The sound of the letter M is Yes, children. Here comes the first picture is mat. Mat. And the second picture is motorbike. Motorbike. And the third picture is milk. Milk. And the fourth picture is milkshake. Milkshake. Again, kindly repeat after me, children. Mat. Motorbike. Milk. Milkshake. These are the pictures that begins with sound. The name of the letter is M. Here comes the next letter K. Here comes the next letter K. This is uppercase K. This is lowercase k. This is uppercase K. This is lowercase k. The sound of the letter K is K. The sound of the letter K is K. Now we are going to see the pictures that begins with K sound. Yes, children. Now we are going to see the pictures that begins with K sound. The first picture is K, kennel. K, kennel. And the second picture is K, kettle. K, kettle. And the third picture is key. Key. And the fourth picture, what that boy is doing? He was kicking the ball. The fourth picture is kick. Kick. Okay, children. These are the pictures that begins with K sound. K, kennel. K, kettle. K, key. K, kick. Okay, children. Now here comes the next letter. The name of the letter is R. The name of the letter is R. This is uppercase R. This is lowercase r. This is uppercase R. This is lowercase r. The sound of the letter R is R. The sound of the letter R is R. The sound of the letter R is R. Now we are going to see the pictures that begins with R sound. Okay, children. The first picture is rainbow. Rainbow. The second picture is ring. Ring. And the third picture is river. River. And the fourth picture is road. Road. These are the pictures that begins with sound. Yes, children, kindly repeat after me. But you should not unmute your audio and video. Okay. The first picture is rainbow. Ring. River. Road. Okay, children. Here comes the next letter D. D. This is uppercase D. This is lowercase d. This is uppercase D. This is lowercase d. The sound of the letter D is D. D. Now we are going to see the pictures that begins with the sound. Now we are going to see the pictures that begins with the sound. Okay, children, just listen carefully. The first picture is the door. The door. And then next picture, the dolphin. The dolphin. And then next picture is the dog. The dog. The next picture, the dice. The dice. These are the pictures that begins with the sound. Yes, children. These are the pictures that begins with the sound. Kindly mute your audio and repeat after ma'am. The door. The door. The dolphin. The dolphin. The dog. The dog. The dice. The dice. These are the pictures that begins with the sound. And the name of the letter is D. The name of the letter is D. Okay, children. Over to Ranjini, ma'am.
Yes, we learned 7 letters and its sounds. Yes, children? Yes. Now, ma'am is going to teach you how to write it using this tracing pattern. Children, everyone, sit straight. Listen carefully now. Okay, children? Yes, very good. Now the first letter, uppercase C. Okay, children? Start from the dot. And write open curve from upper red line to lower blue line. Upper red line to lower blue line. This is uppercase C. This is uppercase C. The next one, lowercase c. Start from the dot. Small open curve within two blue lines. Okay, children, this is lowercase c. This is lowercase c. The next letter E. Start from the dot. Standing line from upper red line to lower blue line. Then sleeping line in upper red line. Then again one sleeping line in upper blue line. Then again one blue line in lower blue line. Okay, children? This is uppercase E. This is uppercase E. The next one, lowercase e. Start from the dot, a small sleeping line in the middle, then open curve. Inside the two blue lines. Okay, children? Can you see lowercase e? Yes. This is lowercase e. The next letter, yes, letter K. Shall we write? Start from the dot. Standing line from uppercase, upper red line to lower blue line. Then right slanting line from upper red line to upper blue line. Then left slanting line from till lower blue line. From there, left slanting line till lower blue line. This is uppercase K. This is uppercase K. The next letter, next one, lowercase k. Start from the dot, standing line from upper red line to lower blue line. Then right slanting line. Yes, Harish. Kindly mute yourself and listen, ma'am. Okay? Thank you. Yes, right slanting line. Then again left slanting line till lower blue line. Can you see? Yes, children. This is lowercase k. This is lowercase k. The next letter, letter H. Yes. Start from the dot, standing line from upper red line to lower blue line. Okay. Then again one standing line from upper red line to lower blue line. You can see? Yes. Then in the middle, sleeping line in upper blue line. Yes, children? This is uppercase H. This is uppercase H. Yes. Then lowercase h. Start from the dot, standing line from upper red line to lower blue line. The downward curve inside to blue lines. This is lowercase h. This is lowercase h. Yes. Now next letter, letter R. Start from the dot, standing line from upper red line to lower blue line. Then closed curve from upper red line to upper blue line. Then left slanting line from upper blue line to lower blue line. Okay, children, this is uppercase R. This is uppercase R. The next one, start from the dot, small standing line inside two blue lines, then a small curve. Can you see? Yes, children, this is lowercase r. This is lowercase r. The next letter, letter M. Start from the dot, standing line from upper red line to lower blue line. Yes. Then left slanting line. From there, left slanting line till lower blue line. Then right slanting line from upper till upper red line. Then again standing line till lower blue line. This is uppercase M. This is uppercase M. Next, start from the dot. Start from the dot, standing line inside two blue lines. Then again from there, downward curve. Again, one more downward curve. Okay, children? This is lowercase m. This is lowercase m. Yes, the next letter D. Letter D. Yes, start from the dot. Standing line. From upper red line to lower blue line. Then closed curve. From upper red line to lower blue line. This is uppercase D. This is uppercase D. Yes, children. Next one, lowercase d. Start from the dot. Open curve. Inside two blue lines. Then standing line. From upper red line to lower blue line. Upper red line to lower blue line. Can you see letter D? This is lowercase d. This is lowercase d. Yes, children. Now we are going to do one activity. Okay, children? We are going to name the picture and identify the beginning sound of the picture, and we will write it in the box. Now the voice is clear? Yurani ma'am, am I clear?
Yes, Ranjini ma'am.
Yes ma'am, thank you ma'am. So we are going to name the picture and identify the beginning sound of the picture and write it in the given box. Okay, children? So now first picture, hen. What is the first picture? Hen. So hen begins with the sound. So which letter makes ha sound? Yes, letter H. Yes, letter H. So you can see letter H inside the box, right? Yes. So now we are going to have interactive session. Okay, children? Ma'am will call your name in an alphabetical order. So to complete this activity. So children, kindly wait for your turn.
Jai Akash B from UKG F. Jai Akash, kindly unmute your audio, Kanna.
Jai Akash.
Okay, we'll move
Jai
from
Akash.
next.
Not Dharma.
Moshika V from UKGF. Moshika.
Moshika. Moshika UKGF.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, dear. What is this picture?
Cat.
Yes, it is a cat. It is a cat. So, what is the beginning sound of cat?
Cat. Cat. Cat.
Very good, very good. So, which letter makes k sound? Shravan, mute yourself. Shravan, mute yourself.
C.
Yes, Moshikal is letter C. So, shall we write letter C inside the box? Yes, star for Moshika. Very good, excellent. Thank you, dear. Mute yourself.
Next, Maunit Mitran P from UKGF section. Maunit Mitran. Kindly unmute, Kanna. Maunit Mitran.
Maunit Mitran. Yes, ma'am. Is that Maunit Mitran? Unmute, ma.
Be first करना. Okay, we move to next name, ma'am. Nivin Marsh J from UKG E section. Nivin Marsh.
Mitran?
Nivin Marsh.
Can Maunit Mitran? Okay, ma'am. Next try. Kirti, ma'am. Naveen Marsh.
Ma'am, we'll move to next name.
Yes, yes.
Yes. Yes, Nivin Marsh.
Naveen Marsh of UKGE. Yes, he is also there. Naveen Marsh, unmute yourself.
Okay. We'll move to next name, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Naga Kanish from UKGF section. Ma, kindly mute your audio and speak, ma. If you don't know, no problem. We will teach you. Okay.
Naga Kanish from UKGF. He is also there, ma'am.
Kindly unmute and speak, Kanna. If you don't know, no problem. We will teach you once again. Okay. Naga Ganesh. No. Okay. We'll move to
Parents,
next
kindly
name.
cooperate, please.
Nishita N. Nishita N from UKGE.
Nishita, UKGE. Nishita,
What happened? Nobody is unmuting.
I don't know, ma'am. Yurani, ma'am, are you there?
Ranjini ma'am,
Why no one is unmuting?
how do I know?
Okay. I thought we two only talking, so only us.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, Nishita. Yes. Jai Gurudev. Listen. What is this picture, Nishita? Yes.
Engine.
One more time.
Nishita.
Yes. What is the beginning sound of engine? Yes. Which letter makes a sound? Yes, letter E. Very good, Nishita. Excellent. Star for Nishita. Thank you.
And next name, Prasanna S from UKGF. Prasanna, kindly unmute Kanna. Prasanna from UKGF. Kindly unmute and talk.
Prasanna is not here, ma'am.
Not
Ranjini
here.
ma'am, only
Then
4
Pavin
minutes
Nitish.
more.
Only 4 minutes more. Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Pavin Nitish.
Nitish.
Very good, Kanna. Dog. What is the beginning sound of the dog, Kanna? Okay. What is the name of the letter? Which? Very good. Pavin Nitish. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. And next, Ritvik Charan from UKGF. Ritvik Charan. Ritvik Charan.
Yes, ma'am.
What is this picture, Kanna? See here. What is this? What is this?
Beard.
Uh-huh. Mustache. What is this? What? Mustache.
Face.
What is a big? No, Kanna. See here. This one. See.
Mama.
What is this? Mustache. What is this? Mustache. Kindly repeat after, ma'am. Mustache.
Mustache.
Yes. What is the beginning sound of the mustache, Kanna?
Yum.
Very